Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to stabilize video in CapCut. So first you have your video here. The thing you need to do is just basically you just need to left click on the video, and then you just need to go to video, basic, and just scroll down to the pro functions where you will be able to find stabilize, and you can choose from recommended to minimum cut to most stable. So this is available only with the pro version, which you can try free by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, so all in all, this is how to stabilize video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.